So our experience engaging with Spacemax has been beautiful.
Yes.
It's life changing. What we enjoyed the most was how they helped us throughout the journey of design, material selection, always available to think about how the right portion of design should be there, how they helped us in the execution process, quick turnaround, always willing to listen to us, which has been phenomenal. Our major concern, I think, was kitchen and the living space, and they just lived to our expectation. The end result has been fantastic. Earlier, we were hosting events at home with our family and friends, but it was not the fun that we have got today. I mean, all our friends who come to the house, they always enjoy, staying time with us. I think it's all because of the quality of interior, the quality of products that Spacemax has provided. I wish them all the best. Thank you.